Hi, this is our Kathy's Crystals Parrot Green Moonstone number 8. Again, beautiful shimmer across the entire stone. Look at the gorgeous stripe there. I really need to spend more time tipping them so they're not in the shimmer so you get to see the beautiful color. It tends to get washed out a little bit when I have it under the bright light in the shimmer. Beautiful green, beautiful salmon color in all of these stones. Again, this is our Kathy's Crystals Parrot Green Moonstone number 8. And thank you very much for watching.